Creators, look alive! The Lenovo Pro 9i Aura Edition is here and packed with tons of features artists, video editors, and designers will love, allowing you to create the best possible work. Lightweight, powerful, and featuring a bold design, the Pro 9i Aura Edition has all the makings of the next great creator laptop. We'll go over a few of the applications best suited for the laptop, break down the specs, and determine who this laptop is for. This Pro 9i Aura Edition is a 16-inch laptop with a gorgeous 2.8K resolution PureSight Pro OLED touchscreen display that can reach up to 1000 nits peak brightness. A future model will feature a 3.2K PureSight Pro tandem OLED display with the ability to go up to an RTX 5070 for the GPU and up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. With 100% coverage across sRGB, DCI-P3, and Adobe RGB, this laptop is capable of delivering rich colors. Viewing your artwork or videos on this laptop is a very rewarding experience. As far as what's powering this laptop, this configuration features an Intel Core Ultra 9 Series 3 processor coupled with an NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card and 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. Gaming on this thing is a beast, with configurations of this laptop going up to a RTX 5070, which will be available at a later date. The Pro 9i Aura Edition can tackle the most demanding games with ease. NVIDIA's DLSS 4 pushes frame rates to the next level, guaranteeing smooth gameplay. Creators should have no shortage of connectivity options, as there are 4 USB ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, and 2 USB-A Gen 2. There's an HDMI 2.1 port, a UHS 2 SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. All of the USB ports are full speed as well, which means there's minimal wait for offloading and transferring your media. There is also a 6-speaker system certified by Dolby Atmos. 2 tweeters, 4 woofers help deliver immense clarity and powerful bass that you will be sure to feel in every beat and action. Quick mention before we move on, the Pro 9i Aura comes with the Wacom-Powered Yoga Pen Gen 2 for use with the ForcePad touchpad. Perfect for those who prefer alternative modal methods, the Yoga Pen Gen 2 works across the entire system for things like scrubbing in Premiere or dragging and dropping files from desktop to hard drive. Illustrators and 3D artists will also find the Yoga Pen transforms the touchpad into a responsive drawing pad, limiting the need to carry an extra drawing tablet on the side. Pair this with applications like ZBrush or Blender's sculpting tools and you've got a very capable portable modeling machine. Let's jump into a couple creative apps and see how they perform. So for our first app, we'll try Lightroom. My coworker Juan recently did a portrait session using the Fujifilm GFX 100 RF, and he handed me a few 70 megapixel RAW files to test edit on this machine. Almost immediately, without having adjusted any sliders, I noticed how gorgeous this 3.2K OLED panel is, pushing out the deep rich blue of the canvas backdrop in the studio they were at. Zooming in on this photo, I can see every detail in the model's face, from her freckles, individual strands of hair, and her eyes are tack sharp. Those 100 megapixels are making the most of this super high resolution display. After editing a few photos, I can say this computer handles photo editing really well. The AI noise reduction works like a champ and applies denoise very quickly. Any adjustments I make are reflected almost immediately, so I can cycle through the before and after and process the changes in real time. Moving on to something a bit more intensive, we're going to try video editing. The Pro 9i Aura almost seems like it's purposely built for video professionals with this CPU and GPU pairing for handling the most demanding workflows. In my testing, I managed to edit a 2-minute vertical video for our Instagram and YouTube channels. 4K C80 footage shot in C-Log 2. Playback of my timeline also was without a hitch at full resolution. I didn't have any issues, it was ultra responsive, and the Pro 9i ran as silent as can be. But to give you a better idea of how this laptop performs with a more heavy-duty project, if you're subscribed to the B&H YouTube channel, you may have recently seen this video appear across your feed. This video is roughly 8 minutes long with some animated graphics and scenes with multiple video clips on screen at the same time. We're going to jump into DaVinci Resolve because that's where that video lives. Now that we're in DaVinci Resolve, as you can see, the playback is smooth with no lag, and even scrubbing through the timeline is easy. We've got 4K C80 footage, color graded, multiple clips on screen at once, animated motion graphics rendered out from After Effects in ProRes 4444 with alpha turned on, and a 4K master background, all inhibiting this timeline, and without hesitation, everything is playing back smoothly. Scrubbing, full resolution, it's all there running in real time with no hitches. Exporting this video out in H.265 at 50 megabits per second, my final export time came in at 7 minutes and 25 seconds, which that's not too bad for how heavy this timeline is. In a world where there are 1,000,001 laptops to choose from, what makes the Lenovo Pro 9i Aura Edition the perfect laptop for creators? It's built from the ground up to push power for all types of workflows. Video editors should have no qualms editing anything from small social edits to bigger projects, thanks to being able to take advantage of up to an RTX 5070 and 64 gigabytes of RAM. Photo editors will appreciate both configurations, OLED displays that cover 100% of sRGB and Adobe RGB color space. Artists who fancy a bit of illustration or 3D modeling will appreciate the dual capability of the touchpad, serving as a drawing tablet or interface for sculpting with the Yoga Pen Gen 2, eliminating the need to carry a separate drawing pad. And although this laptop is geared for creators, sometimes we need an extra, larger display, and Lenovo has the perfect monitor to pair with the Pro 9i Aura Edition. This is the Lenovo Yoga 27UD10, a 26.5-inch 4K HDR 120Hz monitor with a detachable webcam. With 120Hz refresh rate and Lenovo Color Sync, this monitor pairs extremely well as an external display to the Pro 9i Aura, maintaining picture-perfect color accuracy between both devices. There's plenty of connectivity options here, with the USB 4 port delivering 140 watts of power and up to 40 gigabits per second of data through a single cable, 2 USB-A ports and 3 USB-C ports, an HDMI 2.1 and a DisplayPort 1.4 input. The detachable 4K webcam preserves details and reduces noise in both low light and bright conditions. You can also use the webcam for desk view recording. Simply tilt the camera down to stream and record your desktop, and thanks to the auto rotation feature, the captured image is exactly what your view would look like. Like the Pro 9i Aura, there are 6 speakers, 2 tweeters and 4 woofers enhanced by Dolby Atmos. Paired with the laptop, you can play all 12 speakers at once, creating a really immersive surround sound experience. Lenovo has positioned this laptop primarily for the on-the-go creator in mind. So, if you're looking for a portable workstation for video and photo editing, illustration, and even 3D or animation, consider picking up the Lenovo Pro 9i Aura Edition. I'm Sidney with B&H, and thanks for watching.